Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with chapter 8 quadrilaterals. We will take a look at the two theorems, that is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, and the converse of it, that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So let us start with theorem 8.6. So let's say I have my parallelogram ABCD. What do I need to prove? That the diagonals bisect each other. So let us first draw our diagonals AC and BD intersecting at some point O. So what do I need to prove? That OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. So I am just going to mark this in a different colored chalk because this is something we need to prove. So now first of all I have ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AD is parallel to BC. Therefore I have this angle congruent to this angle, that is ADO is equal to CBO by alternate angle theorem. Similarly, I have angle DAO equal to angle BCO, again through alternate angle theorem. Now if I take these two triangles, that is OAD and OCB, these two angles, this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, we just discussed that. And these are a pair of vertically opposite angles, therefore they are equal to. Or rather we can't take this angle because that would be AAA test of congruence, so I won't take these two angles. I will say that AD is equal to BC because we just proved that in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. So I have these two sides equal to each other. Therefore the two triangles, that is triangle AOD and triangle COB, are congruent to each other by the side angle test of congruence. Therefore what can I say? That OA is equal to OC. That means OA is the midpoint of AC. Similarly, OD is equal to OB, again through corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Therefore OA is the midpoint of BD. Therefore the midpoints of AC and BD are meeting at point O. That means AC and BD being the diagonals, they are bisecting each other. Correct? So the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now let's go ahead and write the proof along with the constructions. So I'll say proof, let quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram. Draw diagonals AC and BD. What do we need to prove? That OA is equal to OC. Draw diagonals AC and PD intersecting at point O. Correct? So now I need to prove that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD is equal to OB. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, I have AD parallel to BC, which implies that angle ADO is equal to angle CBO and angle DAO is equal to angle BCO through alternate angle theorem. I'll mark this as 1. Now let's take our two triangles, these two triangles. So in triangle AOD and triangle COB, let's take point number 1. Angle ADO is equal to angle CBO and angle DAO is equal to angle BCO. I'll say from 1. Also I have AD is equal to BC. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB by angle side angle, or ASA test of congruence. Therefore, what can I say? That OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB, both through corresponding pair of congruent triangles, which is proved over here. So, even if you do not write the entire thing, that O is the midpoint and the midpoints of AC and BD are intersecting at point O, that's fine, because we have already mentioned over here what we need to prove. So, you can just directly write your statements that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. This was theorem 8.6. Now, let us look at the converse. So, what will the converse state? That if in a quadrilateral the diagonals bisect each other, then the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Let us go ahead and prove this. So, let us say I have my my quadrilateral ABCD. What is given? That the diagonals are bisecting each other. So, I have drawn the diagonals intersecting at point O, and it is given that OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OB. What do I need to prove? That this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So, how are we going to do this? Let us take into consideration angle OAD and angle OCB. I will do it with mark it with a different colored chalk. This side OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB, which is given, and I have angle AOD and angle COB as vertically opposite angles. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by side angle side test of congruence. Therefore, what can I say? That angle ADB is congruent to equal to angle CB, angle ADO is equal to angle CBO by alternate angle theorem, by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But these are a pair of alternate angles for lines AD and BC. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. Similarly, we can go ahead and prove that AB is parallel to DC by taking triangles AOB and triangle COD. Therefore, we also prove that AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, since AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to CD, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, let us go ahead and write the proof. So, I will say in quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. To prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, I will say proof AC and BD bisect each other at point O. So, AC and DB bisect each other at point O. This is given. Therefore, OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. This is, I will mark this as 1, since they are getting bisected at point O. Now, in triangle AOD and triangle COB, I have OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. I will say from 1. And angle AOD is equal to angle COB Why? They are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, my two triangles are congruent by side angle side test of congruence. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB by SAS test or side angle side test of congruence. Therefore, what can I say? That angle ADO is equal to angle CBO. Why? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. Similarly, let's continue here. Similarly, we can prove that AB is parallel to DC. Let's mark this as 1. Sorry, we already have a 1, so I'll mark this as 2. And in brackets, I will just write by proving triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. And I'll mark this statement as 3. Therefore, what do we get from 2 and 3? That quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. And I'll say from 2 and 3. Hence our statement that if in a quadrilateral the diagonals bisect each other, then the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So with this we wind up with the theorems of the first section of quadrilaterals. We'll take a look at the remaining sections in the forthcoming lectures. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.